Hello everyone. Hey, I thought I'd show you another video of a little grow light setup so you can use it to start your seeds. It's really easy.
It's cheap.
It's not high quantity, so you won't be able to use it for a lot of seed starting, but it's a good little germination setup. Dad will tell you some more about it.
Yeah, it'll do just like one flat, 10-20 tray is all that it can do. And so you could scale it up if you wanted. But it's just small right now, and that's what I use just for, right now we're doing some lettuce starts for indoor growing in the wintertime that we'll put into a different chamber. They're just about ready to transplant now. So all it is just a little LED cheap light off of Amazon. I think these are like $20 or less. They're really inexpensive. They work really good. You can see how nice and dark green the plants are.
The little light, though, it does have red LEDs in it. I can see there's yellowish and white and red ones. Here's a model name for you right there. You can see. If that makes any difference, it helps you guys find
And
equivalent.
so all it is just a piece of plywood underneath here that this is just a regular heating mat for humans, for people, for your back or whatever. And it's just the right size to do one tray. Some of them you have to be careful. You have to get a certain one. I'm not sure. A lot of them have an automatic shut off in 2 hours. And so you don't want that. You want to get these that stay on continuously. So that's what this one is. And so we just have that plugged into a thermostat over here. You can come around here and see the thermostat and a timer. So you can just set whatever temperature you want. You just push these buttons here and set it. I got it set at 78 degrees. And the
probe goes down.
Probe goes down in here and goes right into one of the pony pack cells.
I don't know if you can see that focus on there.
So that it senses the actual soil temperature. And then there's the timer here for the light. And I pretty much just run 16 on, 8 off. Seems to work fine. And I just keep the control for the heat mat on high and just leave that, because that's going to be controlled by the thermostat here. And these little thermostats you can get off of Amazon for, I think they're maybe $16 now. And if you have any kind of electrical knowledge at all, you can wire it up. It's pretty simple. So that's kind of all there is to it. They send along little cables so you can raise and lower this, but for what I'm doing, this works just fine. It's plenty bright.
Where do you get this? This is a polycarbonate cover?
This is called a high dome for a 10-20 tray.
Mondi or something?
I think I got this from Greenhouse Mega Store is where that came from. The heat mat came off of Amazon.
So how much do you think this whole setup costs?
Well,
with that, the heat mat?
I don't know what these things cost because they've been a long time since they bought them. They last a long time.
Pretty inexpensive.
So Dad uses a little bit bigger setup for doing the majority of his seeds, but he just uses this for indoor lettuce growing during the wintertime. Maybe at some point we'll show you his larger setup that he uses for doing a lot higher quantity of starts and germination. Hope you guys all enjoyed that video. I will see you in the next one. And remember, Jesus loves you.